Every marketing team is having the same conversation right now. Should we use AI for content creation? How much do we use it? Does quality suffer? Does it actually save money? Everyone has an opinion. Very few people have run the actual numbers. Today we are doing exactly that. Hi and welcome back to the Upgrowth YouTube channel. And today we are looking at AI content creation ROI simulator. Now, based upon 150 client engagements and Upgrowth, this one shows you how 3.5x typical ROI range is there for optimized campaigns and 90 days to first measurable results. That is what has happened with client engagements and Upgrowth. So it is based on those data and this is not generic. Now let's get into the simulator, how it works. You can see the monthly content budget is the first metric. You can either add it in INR or USD depending upon your business. Let's say monthly content budget is 15,000. Target pieces per month is, let's say, 10. Industry vertical, let me add fintech, very competitive space. So let's say current organic traffic 5,000. Average hours per piece. So how long does it take for team to produce one content? Let's say 8 hours. Writer cost per piece, let's say 15,000. Hit on compare strategies. Now you can see three strategies side by side. So this is the format. Now you can see three strategies. Now you can see three strategies side by side. This is the format that makes this simulator very valuable. It's not telling you AI is better or worse. It is showing you the actual trade-off, right? Now human only, cost per piece 15,000. Monthly output will just be one piece. Organic traffic 910. Quality score 9.5. Of course, it's human written, so it will be quality score will be a lot better. Then you have AI assisted, which is 5.250, monthly output 2 pieces, organic traffic at 18 months is 201 is 1610, quality score is 7.5. Full AI, cost per piece 1200, monthly output 12 pieces, organic traffic will be 5880, and the quality score is less, 4.8. Now you can see, right? Human only gets you one piece per month, but a quality score is really high. Full AI produces 12 pieces, but the quality score is really low, right? So the quality drop has real consequences in a competitive vertical like fintech, where Google EEAT signals matters a lot. So 4.8 quality score means higher bounce rate, lower dwell time, lower AI citation probability, and higher risk of being outranked by better content over time. So an AI assisted is the middle path here. It gives you two pieces. Quality score is also 7.5. Traffic is also very balanced. So you are getting 65% cost reduction here, nearly double the output, right? So this simulator recommendation is refreshingly honest. Full AI maximizes volume but sacrifices quality, only viable for non-competitive verticals or low authority sites. For a fintech brand, which is what we selected, full AI is explicitly not recommended. The regulatory sensitivity of the content, the YMYL classification, the competitive density, all of that says that full AI can't consistently deliver at 4.8 out of 10. So what's the honest recommendation? It is to choose AI assisted model. Higher quality than full AI and dramatically lower cost than human only. Now, having done with this simulator, you can also check out these four similar simulators on content and social media and workflows. So do check these also out. So AI content creation ROI simulator in one line, it gives you the honest three-way comparison between humans, AI assisted and full AI content strategies with real traffic projections, cost per piece and quality score for your specific vertical. The answer is not always AI, not always human. It's the right mix for your vertical, your business and your competitive density. Run it with your own budget and vertical. I'll add the link in the description and subscribe for more such simulators and we'll be back with another one. Thank you.